From within the bill of quantities document, by pressing the Ctrl key on the keyboard together with a mouse click, you can select a bill of quantities item and see in the highlighted level, coloured in green, those objects with respect to which the item was assigned. If on the other hand you select the measurement row, the edge of the relating object is coloured in red, in this case the entire room. With the bill of quantities completed, even if we make changes to objects that are already inserted in the bill of quantities, these associations stay linked, so everything is updated dynamically. Let's take this item here for example. Here we considered the plastering item and also taken into account the detractions for the various openings. If we modify something, for example the opening, you'll notice that the size here and the quantity is dynamically updated together with the total amount. Apart from having the classic bill of quantities document, we can also have a detailed price list document and the selection bill of quantities document. The price list document contains the price list items accounted for so far, whereas the selection bill of quantities contains for the selected objects the relating price list items and measurements.